The bedrock of responsiveness, developing a comprehensive compliance matrix. This lecture addresses the critical importance of the compliance matrix within the bid management process. The compliance matrix, while seemingly an administrative tool, is in fact a strategic instrument that facilitates a structured and comprehensive response to the request for proposal. Its primary function is to ensure that all client requirements are explicitly addressed, thereby minimizing the risk of noncompliance and subsequent disqualification. The importance of the compliance matrix. Firstly, the matrix is instrumental in ensuring comprehensive coverage. RFPs are often characterized by their length and complexity, increasing the potential for inadvertent omissions. The compliance matrix mandates a systematic review of each requirement, providing a verifiable record of its inclusion within the proposal. Secondly, it is crucial for facilitating clarity and understanding. In collaborative bid environments, a shared understanding of RFP requirements is paramount. The matrix serves as a central repository, promoting consistent interpretation and eliminating ambiguity among team members. Furthermore, the compliance matrix functions as a guide for proposal development. It provides a structured framework for authors, directing them to the specific sections of the proposal that must address particular RFP criteria. The matrix also significantly simplifies review and verification. Internal reviewers can efficiently assess the proposal's adherence to RFP stipulations, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Most importantly, the compliance matrix plays a vital role in minimizing the risk of noncompliance. Failure to address mandatory RFP requirements can result in immediate disqualification. The matrix acts as a safeguard against such oversights. Beyond mitigating negative outcomes, the matrix contributes to improved proposal quality. The structured approach it enforces often results in a more organized, coherent, and professional proposal. Finally, the compliance matrix enhances supporting effective communication among the bid team, promoting a unified and coordinated response. Developing a comprehensive compliance matrix, a step-by-step guide. The process commences with Step 1, thorough RFP deconstruction. This involves a meticulous analysis of the entire RFP document, including all sections, appendices, and attachments, to identify every explicit requirement. Subsequently, Step 2, categorization and organization of requirements entails grouping the identified requirements into logical categories, such as technical, management, commercial, submission, and evaluation criteria, to facilitate efficient management. Next is Step 3, creating the matrix structure. This step involves defining the framework of the matrix, typically a table, with clearly labeled columns. The process continues with Step 4, populating the matrix, where each identified requirement is systematically entered into the matrix, ensuring accurate representation and referencing of RFP sections. The final step is Step 5, ongoing management and updates. The compliance matrix is a dynamic document that must be continuously updated throughout the proposal development lifecycle to reflect any revisions or clarifications. Key columns in a compliance matrix. The RFP section/paragraph number column provides precise traceability by referencing the exact location of each requirement within the RFP document. The requirement statement column presents a clear and concise articulation of the requirement, ideally employing the original wording from the RFP to minimize misinterpretation. The compliance level column tracks the proposal's adherence to each requirement, typically using designations such as fully compliant, partially compliant, or non-compliant. The proposal section's addressing requirement column specifies the precise locations within the proposal where the requirement is addressed. The notes/comments column offers a space for supplementary information, clarifications, or assumptions pertaining to the requirement. The responsibility column assigns accountability for ensuring the requirement is adequately addressed in the proposal. Example of a compliance matrix. This is a representative, albeit partial, example of a compliance matrix. It illustrates the structural organization of the matrix and the manner in which information is presented for each RFP requirement. The role of AI in developing and managing compliance matrices. AI offers the potential to automate and streamline various tasks, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. It can facilitate automated requirement extraction, wherein it automatically identifies and extracts requirements from RFP documents, minimizing manual effort. It can also assist with categorization and tagging, enabling the efficient grouping and labeling of requirements based on predefined criteria. Furthermore, AI provides cross-referencing and mapping suggestions, aiding in the identification of relevant proposal sections for addressing specific requirements. Another application of AI is compliance gap analysis, where it can detect potential omissions or inconsistencies in proposal content. Finally, Natural language processing empowers AI to interpret the nuances of RFP language, enabling a more sophisticated understanding of requirements. Example of AI assistance. To illustrate how AI may assist in creating a compliance matrix, let's consider a practical scenario. Imagine you're using a modern bid management software that has built-in AI capabilities. You begin by uploading the RFP document into the software. The AI tool then springs into action, automating several key tasks. Automated extraction of shall and must statements. The AI intelligently scans the RFP and automatically identifies all sentences or phrases that contain the keywords shall, must, is required to, or similar mandatory language. This is a huge time saver, as it eliminates the need for a human to manually sift through the entire document to locate these crucial elements. Population of initial compliance matrix. Once the AI has extracted these statements, it automatically populates the initial compliance matrix. It fills in the RFP section / paragraph number column with the precise location of each statement and copies the statement itself into the requirement statement column. This creates a ready-to-use framework for further refinement. Suggestion of relevant proposal sections. In some cases, the AI might even go a step further and suggest which sections of your proposal template are most likely to be relevant to each requirement. It does this by analyzing keywords and semantic relationships between the RFP and your existing proposal content. However, it's crucial to understand that AI assistance does not replace human oversight. Validation of AI suggestions. Human reviewers must carefully validate all the AI-generated suggestions. This ensures that the AI has correctly interpreted the requirements and that the proposed proposal sections are indeed appropriate. Completion of compliance levels, responsibilities, etc. While it can help with the initial setup, humans are still responsible for completing other essential columns in the matrix, such as specifying the compliance level, assigning responsibility for addressing each requirement, and adding any necessary notes or clarifications. This example demonstrates how AI is significantly streamlining the process of creating a compliance matrix, making it faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors, while still emphasizing the importance of human control and validation. Key takeaways. First, it is essential to recognize that the compliance matrix is essential for ensuring a responsive proposal. It is not merely a supplementary document, but a fundamental tool for demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of client requirements. Second, the matrix provides a structured way to track and address all RFP requirements, serving as a central mechanism for managing the proposal development process. And finally, while AI is able to streamline the creation and management of the matrix, human verification and judgment remain indispensable for ensuring accuracy and quality.